Video is on how to light a water heater with a Honeywell gas valve. So if you have a gas valve that looks like this or like this is how you light it. So you want to put this dial down on pilot, make sure it depresses. This water heater is actually on right now. Make sure that this depresses. It will not depress if it's locked up like that, so put it on the pilot position. Make sure, there you go, you can push it in. You want to push the igniter. You can usually look into the water heater into a view glass somewhere in there. Going. So you want to look for your pilot light. And you keep your finger down on this button until you hear a click, typically, and you see the light flash. So this one was already on, but you just wait and you'll see the light blinking and flashing. Then you can release and turn it to the desired temperature, and it should kick in. So the lighting instructions are typically right on the water heater, and it kind of walks you through the steps. I'm going to make sure I turn this down because it's way too hot for me. Anyway, this is how you light it. Maybe we want it back on B. So you need to see the status light for sure. If there's any kind of errors, typically you get a chart like this that will show you the error codes. They can go all the way from 0 to 10, but it's the same for all these valves. So you just depress it here, press it here, and push the igniter. Wait for the status light to come on, turn it to the desired temperature. If there's an error or a fault code or something, it will flash pretty bright, and then you count up those flashes. It will there'll be a couple of seconds of a delay in between, and then you'll see it will repeat that fault code, and you just count those flashes and compare it to the chart. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.